Good morning. This is a quick screencast to show you how to exempt assignments for these new students if you need to exempt. So go ahead and click on the Grades tab. And I just have to show you student information. I can't block it out. I don't really want to mess with that. So click on your student. And this does take a little time. I don't know how to do this in a bulk setting, so I just do it one by one. So you have the student up, click on the caret bulk edit exemptions, and it'll bring up your entire grade book, and this is the point where you just go ahead and click on whatever you want to exempt and then save and close. Anything you click on it'll still show up, and sometimes they will try to complete it still, but it'll just take it off their plate. It'll take it out of the grade calculation. So if they want to go back and do it, make sure to undo the exemption. So there you go. Have a good day, AJ. Bye-bye.